Finally got my hands on it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm always the last one to get these iPhones, which is so goofy to me. And honestly, the box, very interesting that it is the same sleekness as the other iPhones. These don't really come with any other accessories either. On the back, you can see we can go ahead and pry this thing on the back open. No plastic covering on the back, unlike the M1 iPad Air that I just got, which this pretty much falls in line with the iPhone 13. Sliding this thing up from the top, you can pretty much see that it's always just been a struggle for me to get these things off. There we go, finally got it off. And then we have the iPhone within it. So for some reason, oh, so there is the sticker up top. I forgot to take it off. Now within the box itself, we do have the iPhone SE 3 right on the front, which is really cool to see. If we go ahead and take this iPhone up, you can see within it, we do have the charging cable and we do have this little thing right there. Pulling this thing up from the front, and if we go ahead and pull this plastic portion up, which is covering the top and the bottom, we can go ahead and power up this bad boy, and it literally feels exactly like the iPhone SE 2 as we would expect, which pretty much feels exactly like the iPhone 8 as well. So actually the back feels a little bit more slippier. I don't know what that's causing. Now within the box itself, like I mentioned, we do have the little pamphlet with the SIM card eject tool right there, as well as the Apple sticker, which is really cool to see. We also have the charging cable, as I mentioned before. Really cool that they still have this in, but we're probably 2 generations away from Apple probably eliminating it as a whole. Now we do have the iPhone SE 3 here. Taking a little look at it around, we'll pretty much be able to see that the design is relatively unchanged. As I mentioned before, it is looking exactly like the previous generation, which we've already expected. We do have the same back, but it does feel a little bit different. I don't know what it is, maybe because I just took the plastic off, but not that big of a difference on the back. It feels identically the same. We do have the power button on the side, SIM card eject tray right there, which has always been there, I think, or maybe it's been moved. I actually don't know. I thought it sat a little bit lower. I could be totally wrong. The home button feels exactly the same as before, and I will go ahead and set this thing up as always, and I will, probably do 50,000 comparisons on this thing as well. But from first glance, it doesn't seem like a bad iPhone like I mentioned before, but it is very strange because this is a $429 device, and if this thing doesn't, perform as great as Apple suggested, then there really isn't a crazy big reason to pick this device up, in my opinion, at that point. So that kind of covers it up. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Any devices or anything you want to see me compare this to, let me know in the comment section too. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.